How to create a full width image on Wix. So on my site, I have this particular image which is not full width. So whenever you try to add an image to your site, it will still only add something like this. Now, if you want to add a full width image like this one, what I recommend you to do is to just head over and then add a strip. So before that, I'll just head over and then remove it first in order to show you what it looks like. Now let's click on this plus icon. Then let's click on the strip option. And then once you're on your strip option, just choose any image that you want to use. For example, we have in here this. You can add it right here. Now, don't worry because we can still change it. So click on this particular strip. Click on this change background. Click on this image option. And then it will open your media on Wix. So just choose which media or site files you want uploaded for that. For this one, I'll head over and choose an image that I have uploaded in the past. So I'll just choose this one right here and click on this change background. And then as you can see, it has now changed into that, which is a full width image. So that's how you create a full width image on Wix. Hope we helped.